Hey, what's up? If you're searching for the best carpet cleaner to keep your floors fresh and spotless, you're in the right place. We've tested and compared the top carpet cleaners of 2025. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best carpet cleaners of 2025. From lightweight spot cleaners to powerful deep cleaning machines with smart features. And the best part? You can check out all the carpet cleaners we talk about. Just hit the links in the description below. Let's dive in and find a perfect carpet cleaner for your home. Number 5. Tineco Carpet One. A smart, powerful carpet cleaner designed for deep, effortless cleaning. It packs a 1300W motor with 130 AW suction to lift deep dirt, stains, and odors. No dirty water left behind. The heated wash technology keeps water at 104 degrees Fahrenheit for better stain removal, and the dry-only mode uses 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot air to dry carpets fast. The dryness meter shows when your carpet is fully dry. It features iLoop smart sensors, a real-time LED display, built-in spot cleaner, voice prompts, and app control. Perfect for carpets, stairs, upholstery, and pet messes. This video is Amazon affiliated, and we've handpicked today's hottest tech deals just for you. Tap the link in the description to unlock limited-time offers while they last. Buying through that link helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. You're smart. Don't miss out on the best gear before it's gone. Number 4. Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3. The Rug Doctor Mighty Pro X3 is a powerful, commercial-grade carpet cleaner designed for serious messes. Its one-pass cleaning system sprays, scrubs, and extracts dirt, stains, pet messes, and odors in a single go. Perfect for home, industrial, or commercial use. Powerful spray jets inject solution deep into carpet fibers, while the triple-action vibrating brush scrubs all sides of each fiber for a deeper clean. The enhanced vacuum motor delivers pro-grade suction to extract grime and speed up drying. Number 3. Hoover SmartWash. Meet the Hoover SmartWash, the easiest way to deep clean carpets automatically. Just push forward to clean, pull back to dry. No buttons, no guesswork. Its motion-sensing auto-cleaning technology, auto-mix, and auto-dry features do all the thinking for you. Flex-Force power brushes lift tough stains and pet messes, while Heat-Force drying speeds things up. You also get a 2-in-1 pet tool, stair tool, 8-feet hose, and accessories. Everything you need for a whole home clean. Number 2. Bissell Revolution HydroSteam. Meet the Bissell Revolution HydroSteam 3432, your go-to carpet cleaner for tough pet messes. It's the only one with HydroSteam technology, so you get a deep, powerful clean every time. It cleans twice as well in max clean mode, lifting dirt, stains, and allergens with ease. Got pets? The 2-in-1 pet tool makes it easy to clean messes from upholstery and stairs. Stuck on spills? Steam pre-treat mode softens them up so they're easier to clean. And the best part, carpets dry in about 30 minutes with quick dry mode. Number 1. Shark CarpetXpert with StainStriker. It gives you a deep clean with strong suction, power spray, and a high-speed brush roll, so dirt and grime don't stand a chance. Tough stains? The StainStriker tool mixes 2 powerful cleaners right in your hand for 20x more stain-fighting power. No mixing needed. There's also a built-in spot remover for set-in stains, and it even gets rid of pet odors like urine and smoke for good. Plus, it dries super fast and comes with 3 tools for stairs, rugs, and upholstery. So if you're serious about keeping your home spotless, especially with pets in the picture, the Shark CarpetXpert has your back. I hope you found this roundup of the best carpet cleaners helpful. If you're ready to refresh your floors and bring your carpets back to life, check the links in the description for the latest prices, full specs, and availability. Got a go-to carpet cleaning tip or machine you swear by? Drop in the comments. I'd love to hear what's keeping your home fresh. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay clean and keep those carpets spotless.